Alright, what is going on, guys? So we are down here, hopefully going to finish off Turdzilla tonight and drive it home. That is the hope here. I got a few things to do, some wiring stuff, O-rings for the coolant crossover, some little stuff here. I'm going to be filming some of it, but kind of just want to work through it and get it done. Alright, so I just extended the IAC wire over and up and over to there, and then I also did the fuel rail pressure sensor wire to go back and around and plug right in there. Now we're going to figure out the vacuum line harness. A few different vacuum ports. There's one on the IAC. Well, that one's a big vacuum one, right?
This
that
is just for that.
That goes over to the intake. Alright, so what I'm doing now is taking the shifter off, which it wasn't really on yet, and I'm going to fill up the transmission fluid through the top here. Alright, we're going to start it and move it forward.
Yep. You got the map has a huge vacuum. Keep going. No, go in a little more. You want to fully on the pavement. Keep going. Get it in there, fool.
Alright, so we got the car moved over to here. There's still a few things not hooked up over there, but the trans moved into all the different gears. We don't have a lift available, so we're just going to jack it up here and get under it, hook up the trans harness, the new O2 extensions I got, and yeah.
Oh, you look dirty though. Andrew did some work finally.
It's recording?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I did it.
Look at that forehead.
Stuff was just falling on me. See, I worked on it. I mean, come on. I'm gonna go watch.
The fancy pants dirty.
Oh no.
All dirty.
Oh, I hope that's not training for went away.
No, lift your tab.
Right. I saw a bunch of comments. They're like, bro, that shit's blown up.
It's lifter tab.
So I'm going to go in here and select the 24-pound injectors, which are the Cobra injectors. Let's see what it has for MAF. We're just going to go with stock. Rear O2's off. EGR off. Traction control off. Just going through and flashing the car right now. Alternator's not working. Yeah, you can see battery voltage. 10.5. All right, guys, so that wraps up working on Turdzilla for today. I was hoping to drive it home, but it looks like we'll still need to go get these O-rings for the coolant system to get that up and running. It also looks like there's a lifter tap. Nick would like to let it run a little bit more before we take the valve cover back off and replace some lifters. I agree with that, because you can tell that it kind of goes away and then comes back. Nick says it doesn't sound like a rod knock. I know a lot of people said it sounded like a rod knock, but it goes away where usually a rod knock will keep going pretty much constant. So on the video, you guys can't see where the sound's coming from, where Nick can pinpoint it right to that side head. So anyway, guys, we're gonna keep diagnosing it and work on it a little bit more. It does move under its own power. All we need to do right now is hook up the cooling system. It has a semi-tune in it. So yeah, it's pretty close. As always, make sure you slap that like button down below, leave a comment. Make sure you go check out Nick's page, Florida Auto Surgeons, if you want anything done on your car. The link is down in the description below. He's in Central Florida area. You can drive down to him, have him work on your car. He's currently undergoing the coyote swap on John's car, and that's gonna be really cool too. So make sure you slap the like button down below, check out his page, leave a comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. All right, let's do this again. What's better than a 3-valve?
Coyote.
A coyote. Dude, that fits so perfectly in there. That looks so good.
All the wiring goes right back into the factory locations.
Nice. That's good stuff, man.
BBK long tubes right there.
Those things are fat. 1 7/8.
Just got the power by the hour accessory and front cover in, so we're gonna throw that on this weekend.
Sick, dude. It's coming along.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy when we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history, yeah.